Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And your Microsoft Store is not working, so I give you best solutions step by step. So guys, first click to start, type run and open it. Type WSRESET dot exe and then hit enter. So after that, automatically open the Microsoft Store and wait few seconds. Is properly wait for open. Okay, then close it. Next method, re-register Microsoft Store. So click to start, type PowerShell. Okay, this is PowerShell. Right click to run as administrator and then click to yes for the access. Okay, then enter this command and then hit enter. And this command I will give you in the descriptions, so you can copy, and otherwise you can type manually also. So this command for the re-register of your Microsoft Store. Okay, and then close it. Next, repair Microsoft Store, click to start and then open setting, then click to app. Now system app, scroll down, find out Microsoft, scroll down, system component, and this is Microsoft Store. Click on three dot, advanced option, scroll down, then click to repair, reset and then repair. Okay, and then close it. Next, clean the temp file from your system, click to run and type, click to start and type run, then type the percentage temp percentage. Okay, and then hit enter. So this is guys your temporary file, no need for the this is not your data. Okay, and also no need for the operating system, so right click and delete it. Some file is not delete, that means they are using for the operating system temp. Okay, then click to skip. Okay, and then close it. Last and very important, repair the your Windows corrupted file. So click to start, type PowerShell, right click to run as administrator. After that it will require the access, for click on yes, then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So it will command start the some percentage like that. Okay, so that's mean your corrupted Windows, corrupted operating systems files, it will restore. Okay, it will repair via this command. So use this, and when it is completed now, then restart your system. This is 100% compulsory, because of now that will repair and some use this command. So 100% it will open this your Microsoft Store. Okay, and if not, so comment me, I will create another video and I will guide you. Okay, thank you, bye bye.